Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Off Axis Builds. My brother just got a brand new 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Well, brand new to him. First thing we're going to be doing on this project, we're going to be replacing some of the roof hold downs and putting some little clips on it so you can actually use it as like a tie down, okay? Really simple job. Got T40s, okay? It's a little star wrench. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, really simple. I believe there's only 6 holding it on this guy. Maybe take you about 20 minutes to do this, hopefully. So stay tuned. Let's get this thing going. Alright, so this kit comes with these little finger thumb screws, okay? So you're going to be taking out the T40s and putting these things in. It'll actually help you remove the roof a lot easier. So what you're going to be doing, you'll take the T40 out, you put this down, put the little washer on, and then put that right over that, okay? On the 2017, I don't think you'll be needing these. We'll see when we start removing the original hold down bolts. Hopefully we won't need those because it'll make it a lot easier to take this roof on and off later. So let's go ahead and start in on the driver's side. Alright guys, so you can either use an Allen key or a socket wrench with a T40 on it. I'm going to go ahead and use the socket wrench. It should be pretty straightforward, and they're all going to be the same. Okay. Yeah, so on the 2017 model, you do not need these clips, okay? So what we're going to do here, there's a little bend on this guy. Okay, you're going to want to have that bend down, and then you put your washer on top of that, okay? Alright guys, so we ran into a little issue. The threads are the same, but for some reason this tapers off and just has a little shoulder there. When I went to tighten these down, it won't go all the way down. It sticks up maybe about 1/16 of an inch. So it won't tighten your top down. So we're going to get rid of those. I'm going to go back to the original mounting and just screw those right in. Pretty straightforward. You just need to hold a T40 in the back of your truck if you want to remove this at any point on the road or whatever. So just going to slide that right in. There we go. We'll tighten that down with the wrench. There we go. There you got it. A spot to tie something down back here. We're going to go ahead and continue on the rest of those all the way down that one right there, and then there's one more behind the roll bar. 3 on the driver's side, and then you'll have 3 on the passenger side. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. fold up. Okay, we got 3 on each side. This is a nice little, simple upgrade. Okay. So when you get done with the job, obviously I think these are meant to be universal for different years. But when you get done with the job, it's always good to put your tool that you need to remove your top away. Okay. I don't know if you guys know this or not, but there is a secret compartment down here. Okay. So generally, you have a whole bunch of tools in here. Okay. Now, if you lift up this whole thing, your jack's underneath there too. Okay. So just go ahead and throw that tool with the rest of your tool bag here. Put it inside, obviously, but keep it with you so you can remove your top at any point. All right, so the main reason why we put those tie downs in, so he can tie down his dog crate. Okay, so you can come back from this point to the 4 corners and tie down the dog crate so this thing doesn't rock and roll when he's driving around. So it's a nice little upgrade. I think it's going to serve his purpose perfectly. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on this project. We're going to do a lot more on this build. My brother's got some bumpers coming in, front, rear bumpers. I'll possibly be doing some fenders shortly here, and a grill and new headlights coming soon. So check it out. We'll have this on our Friday videos. Thanks for joining me on this one. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Remember, guys, it's always built, not bought. See you on the next one.